How screen time affects your sleep and what to do about it. Struggling to fall asleep. Your screen might be the culprit. Studies show that screen time before bed affects your body's natural sleep cycle by reducing melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs keeps your brain alert, making it harder to relax. To improve your sleep, try powering down at least an hour before bedtime. Let your mind unwind and get ready for a good night's rest. Simple changes like dimming your lights, using night mode on devices, or switching to a relaxing activity like reading can also make a big difference. These small steps help you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Give it a try and say goodbye to restless nights.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips